You will be mad for more than 10 years.
We can do it. Baba, as it is now, they tell me say now you be the best when it comes to stuffs like this. And the person who introduced us. Now, say if we meet you, we will make well for us. As it is now, we won't make money. Like they say not be the number one.
Oh, shall no, bro. Say no more. You say, look at me. People wait till you say, may you come here. They know the kind of person you are. Say, I am Baba Official, the number one internet native doctor. I am the only talk and the universe. I am the only man that do wickedness for you. Anything where I tell you for here now confirm, you don't need that. Congratulate yourself.
See, Canada. No, see, our wedding here. You see the wedding here?
But the kind of it done. It's like your brain is doing over it. Money when you never make, when you don't they say they go Canada. May not be say your plane go later crash. What if they worry you? Now wow, even you they try you. In fact, I never see this kind of love. I never see love like this. I never see anyone will give you love like this. In fact, this one it wake me for body. Cause you know say girls of nowadays now people will get iPhone they find. You when you know even get iron to iron shirt. Now you not all say you don't get iPhone and she still they follow you. But no problem, I will help you. But the thing is currently in Nigeria, money ritual is not working. Maybe you will go to Zimbabwe or Kenya or South Africa to go and look for any abalis that can do money ritual for you.
Zimbabwe, Baba. When we don't get transport, how won't they go Zimbabwe? Papa, please go.
You be mumu. You just dey put mouth dry like donkey. You dey spit out nonsense. Truly, poverty na your best friend. Cause if poverty no be your best friend, I tell you say make you go Zimbabwe, go do ritual. You tell me say you no get transport. Common sense no tell you say I no just wan help you. I no wan do am for you.
If no one help us, no one do am. No wahala now. Since money trying to work for Nigeria again. What do you go come?
Come and feel it, Ija. Come and feel it. I will help you. I will help you.
Help us.
I will help you. I have the only talk I do in the universe. The thing is, the one that I have now, the least and the easiest one among all is. Are you sure you can do it?
We can do it.
We can do it. We can do it. Anything we can do.
Okay, no problem. Cause the main reason why I'm asking is because this thing it has terms and conditions. And I don't know if you can cope with the terms and conditions.
Just talk.
The thing is if I do this ritual for you finish, you will be mad for more than 10 years. And after that 10 years, forget it, you will make it big in life. You will start spending money like Dangote and $100.
Let us laugh.
I never even do ritual, you don't demand. You shall know. Funny people.
Baba, wait. Are we mad for 10 years?
10 years?
Wait.
10 years, that's his age. Where is he going to spend the money?
If you have 10 years on my age, I mean, where I want to spend the money? 10 years on my
no, boy. You see, now this mentality where poor people get, now make them know they ever get money. Why will you say if you mad for 10 years, after 10 years, you can't reach 40 something before you go can't get money? You be mumu. All these rich people, when you see, they know the reason like that. Is it that you use 10 years to mad and later get money in future, or you continue being poor and wretched till you die?
Jesus,
which one do you want?
Hey, Baba, it is now,
We don't want to.
We don't do it again. 10 years.
It's like you are mad.
It's mad.
Look at
That's why people start to madness. Look at I really take a cab. Madness.
You see am o? Shebi you dey see am now. If I do wickedness now, people go say baba you too wicked. Imagine this idiot wey carry bear do first for mouth. This idiot dey follow me talk wey poverty dey smell for him mouth. You can never make it. You will remain poor and wretched till you die. Not to kill your father. Idiot.
Welcome.
What are you doing outside?
I'm taking breeze.
You are taking breeze. Which air are you combing now? Which air? Faith, which air? See, the other day you went to collect hair. I told you I don't have money. They came to collect TV because you don't have money to pay. I don't have money to pay. Now, which aid is this one again? I beg.
It's not your business. It's my money.
Which money?
It's my money now. Say I don't have money again.
I'm not there for this one. No. I beg.
Come. You don't come back with any money. But that's not the case.
I don't come back to any money. See, right now, I'll beg you with God. As it is now, as I was coming, I was thinking within me, let's end this relationship. I don't want to suffer you. Let me just focus on my life and find the money. I can't be riding love and riding relationship or riding or looking for money. So as it is, as you're outside, just go inside, pack your things and go back to your father's house.
And go where?
You are not married now.
You said you were thinking, Abi. Me too, I was thinking. So, I have something to tell you, come. You see that thing that man said that day? That Baba now.
Oh, that useless Baba. I said I should marry for 7 years.
Yes, now.
Wait, you are thinking, you are not thinking of what's going back.
We are not going back. Let me finish now.
I talk, I'm listening.
The man said you should march for 7 years.
Yeah, I remember.
Thereafter, we'll get to it, Abi. Let me tell you, the way I've been thinking it, you will be mad.
Yeah! I'll be mad.
Yes, now, you'll be mad now.
Are you mad?
I don't understand. Do I look mad?
Why you say I'll be mad?
Let me finish. I've not finished yet. You are complaining already. You'll be mad. You'll be begging on the streets. They'll be giving you money. You'll not be bringing it home. I'll be saving it for you.
Jesus is Lord.
Where have you seen mad person and begging money?
I'll be your accountant now. You understand?
You my accountant.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not doing. Just leave that.
Oh yeah, come. You know, let me finish, Joe. Oh yeah, I'll join you. We'll march together.
Oh my God.
We'll march together. No worry.
Must we mad and beg money?
Do you have any other business idea? Do you have any other business idea?
So this kind of thing, village people do.
Village people no fit reach us, Joe.
Village people do.
They no fit reach us. No worry. I don't plan everything. We will not collect 200 naira, 100 naira, 1,500 naira.
Oh my God.
Somebody wants to do transfer. You do transfer as well. And this here, you pay for it too.
I thought you said you have paid for it.
I'm not paid for it. Your TV, they will come and collect your other TV.
Get out. Look at the way I'm dressed.
Yes, Nati.
But wait, I don't understand. Do you sure this business will work?
Are you sure? You're asking me if I'm sure. It will work, Joe. Sorry.
It's not really madness. You should have started beating me.
I know it will work. You want to go and march for 7 years. Yeah, you know if your enemy will die there or you yourself.
My enemy will die, not me will die.
No, your enemy.
Sir, please, we need food. Oh, sorry, sir. Money. We need money, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
1.5. This business will work.
Yes, ma'am. First leg.
Business will work.
First leg. First leg. First leg.
I dey mad for you, I dey craze for you. They say I dey do like say I be fool, but I am a fool for you. Make it them the talk, now them get it their mouth. Anything you need in him, I go buy my money, now your money. Moo 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 moo, make them call me moo moo. I don't need sense to love, your love makes me a happy moo moo. I am a moo moo, make them call me moo moo. I don't need sense to love, your love makes me a happy moo moo. You dey do me bad, but I no care.
Today no is you. See, you can't even a mad pass yourself. You see that dance? What dance? Wait now, you see that dance now? You can't flog me for real. Yeah.
Somehow. Wait.
Hey, if you collect money for this one.
I beg, no verse reverse. I see some. You see him?
Yes,
You see him? Nah, them.
All right.
Slowly.
Slowly enter.
Let's go. Yeah, that's. We don't close for today now. I'm more the go out. We don't close. See that fine motor they come on. If you see stop and move for this motor, yeah. Fine motor come.
Motor is fine.
It's fine, Abby.
We have plenty money.
Wait now, come now. Let's just wait. It's coming. So that we use time and stop him and beg the person.
Mumu man. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Why are they coming down?
Run.
There you go, wait now.
You don't have to run, okay? You don't have to run. I can help you. I'm here to.
See, you see, young man, and we are here to help you. Help me, of course, we're here to help you. Okay?
Excuse me, I don't understand.
Taking me time.
Let me go here now. Wait now, excuse me, I'm not mad. What's that with the talk? What about the other guy? Run away. I'm not mad, man. I'm not leaving. I'm not mad. I'm not mad.
Put them. I'm not mad. Shut up. Where are you going to? I'm not mad. Sit down.
He's no mad.
Bro, Alpha. Who you be? You don't come.
He's no mad. Mona leave him.
Don't worry. You don't come to that. Like this now, you don't mad.
But I'm no man, now you mad.
I know.
See, you keep quiet. But what are you saying, eh? Will you shut up? Okay. So, now no, safe, Abi.
We no mad.
Story.
So you like that video that you watched just now? Eh? Please subscribe to Yukos TV now. Please subscribe to this channel, Yukos TV. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Please subscribe.
Not bell notification, it's notification bell.
Okay, notification bell. Any of
Bell
them.
notification.
On it.
I confuse that. Please subscribe. Subscribe. We beg you.
Thank you. God bless you.
God bless you. Please subscribe. Please, man, the damn bell. I'm gonna say that joke. Please subscribe. Turn on your notification post. Subscribe. I'm not let comedy tire house.
Thank you.